I'll turn it on for the aftermath if that makes you feel better. That and you shot your own gun.
I still got a bunch of paint. Yeah, so do I.
Good job, Dennis.
That counts three. I can handle a lot more than that.
Dennis, did you shoot me?
I'm pretty sure I did.
I thought one of you guys got me with eyeballs on. Was that you? Dickhead.
Yeah, Nathan turned around.
Somebody got me right here.
He shot me in the asshole.
Peter running down there. Yeah, that's what I figured. I didn't think it was Dennis. I think he was a little too busy. Oh my God! Get the hose, guy.
I'll get it.
Jeez, that doesn't.
Dennis, do you think this is more or less paint than after the big
side
day?
of the head. That was really hurting.
The kid like I did it.
I kept shooting you in the back.
Like someone kept ringing me in my left ear, and it was like, ah!
I was like, come on, hit him in the side
Sorry,
of the
Dennis.
head.
It's real far away.
I would feel bad if I didn't.
I know. Well, like we're not giving him what he wants to have here.